Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and You Off Good Project, and this is a unique project today. This is deer season, which means cheap source of food for us, for the family. Each year we go and get deer carrots. It's about, I don't know, 20, 30 or some odd pound bag of carrots that only cost $4. But this is food, it's carrots. And they're just the not beautiful ones, so they're not perfect carrot shape for the grocery store, so they get bulked up and sold as deer food. So that's what we're working on now. Now here we have beets. This is just an experiment I always wanted to do. Sugar beets. We're going to make sugar. So that's just going to be a fun project to see if we can make sugar out of sugar beets. So now, as I know, there's a certain person watching that will turn me in for illegal hunting over deer food. Nope, this is for human consumption here in the homestead, and any scraps will go to the chickens. So I have to put that disclaimer in there right away. It is cheap food. I could put this on the tactical channel and may make a video of it because it is a cheap source of food. This is a non-necessary thing. It's just going to be for fun. It's something I always wanted to do since I was a kid growing up around sugar beets, but that'll be a separate video. Today, we're processing carrots. Right now, Melanie's washing and sorting. So there's some, what is the dark stuff? Is it just dirt or what is that on them?
It's starting for just the skin.
Just the skin is turning on them?
Yeah, but you can see. Look.
They're clean inside.
See?
So Melanie has been processing some here. And, I mean, they're just carrots. This is food. This is really, really cheap food. If there are any bad spots, she cuts them out. And, what? Oh.
You clean it like that.
She's got a carrot peeler. And it comes out really nice and clean. And we've been eating carrots out of this bag for, how long have we had them? A week? Mm-hmm. We've eaten a lot of carrots. Almost every meal, we've got carrot bread, carrot cake, carrots in our food every day. But it's time that we got to process these and get rid of them, get them off the ground or get them put away. There you go, it's beautiful clean carrot. But yeah, we've been eating a lot out of this bag. But before they go bad, we've got to finish them up and get them put away. Baby cat, want to say hi?
I'm gonna show them how to use this one.
Did baby cat want to say hi? She's always there. I don't show her as much in the house because I'm not inside. I'm always outside working. But she's doing good. That's the baby cat, the famous baby cat. Yeah, say hi to everybody. The famous baby cat. Alright, what were you going to show us?
This one, it's just easy.
Oh, look at that.
That's why they have blade side by side, because you just
back and forth. Oh, I never saw that before. Okay, I've seen the one-way one, but I've never seen a back and forth.
Because usually a lot of people, like, see that?
Scrub it right out.
They're just like that.
Uh-huh.
That's why there's another blade, because you could just...
Well, that is neat. That's fast and easy. Mm-hmm. She does a little flourish and a flip of the carrot. She's a pro. She can even do stunts and tricks.
See?
That turns out nice. Again,
and it's cleaner.
These were much better when we got them, but we've been eating a lot, and now it's just getting time to process them in a batch. And then we'll get more, because it's cheap food for the winter. And we couldn't grow carrots this year. They're more of a cooler weather crop, and it was brutally hot here, so we couldn't grow them for anything. So, but I mean, for $4 for that massive bag, you cannot get them in the grocery store for that price. And the only flaws out of the bag is that they were not neat and beautiful for the grocery store. They were mutant carrots, but perfectly edible food. And there's a beautiful carrot, done with a flourish. Now, this is from that first bag that she's just finishing. Now, what do we got here, Melanie?
So this one has a carrot and blueberry. They're just same, what do you call that, measuring flour and everything. They're just same, but I just add...
Same recipe.
Yeah, same recipe. I just add some like this one has a blueberry, this one has a raisins,
Yeah.
and this one has a blueberry, little tiny
Muffins like.
muffin like.
Did you do any of these on your own channel?
I have one that it shows what is the measuring of the ingredients.
Okay, cool.
But it's up to you how you make your bread of the sizes and something like that.
Melanie is doing videos. I'll put the link to her channel below. She's changed it, and she does talk a lot in her native language, but she is doing a lot of cooking these days, and it's really cool and exciting. She's a good cook. So we've been enjoying this. We've eaten a bunch of these already, and there's one on the table I'll show you. It's so good. This is a carrot cheesecake type roll thing, and she needs to do this commercially. It's sort of squashed from the bag, but it's a roll of carrot cake, and then she rolled it up with cream cheese inside. You put a little bit of sweetness in the cream cheese, didn't you?
Yeah, frosting, cream cheese frosting.
She made a cream cheese frosting, and this is so good. It is so amazing. She needs to do this commercially. She is good. So, right now, Melanie is working on slicing carrots for the dehydrator. This is for long-term winter storage, so we can put them away and use them up later on. They're perfect for adding back into soups and meals or a snack, like carrot chips. So, that is hard on the ears. That is loud.
Yeah.
Smack, smack, smack. Making carrot chips. They make a good healthy snack for on the go if you add some salt on them. Or just as is, because they have a nice sweet flavor. I like these carrots actually. They're very good, aren't they, Melanie?
Yeah, this is like a sweeter than the other one.
They're a good sweet carrot. I like them. So basically single row, not too much touching each other. We have used the dehydrators a lot this year, but I've just been running around doing the fences and security, so I haven't done any video of it at all. Things are getting a little more relaxed on the homestead, so there's one. Michelle's doing a tray too. Hold on a minute. She's doing a very neat job. All her own.
Let me see.
As I said, when this batch is done, we have been eating these all along, but it's time to process them before they go bad. When this batch is done, we're going to get more. We always need a source of fresh carrots anyway for meals. We eat carrots a lot here. And we keep preserving them, put them away for winter. I'm probably going to do a video with some of these on my tactical channel because we don't know exactly what's coming this year. So putting away food is a good idea. Prices are rising, and I have been discussing that on my tactical channel in more detail. But it's good to put away food for now, especially fresh, and especially in Michigan where it's cold and you don't get to grow. Yeah. Oh, it's cold. You don't get to grow this stuff in the winter.
I'm gonna be cold. You would die. You would die. So cold there.
And that's it. That'll sit until they're dry, and then we pack them away in a vacuum sealer bag.
You can.
Cheap, cheap, cheap food for winter. And we got these yet to process, but we'll do that off video. And the carrots are dry. This is what those ginormous things look like after a couple days of drying. How long was this, Melanie?
24.
That's it? Just 24 hours.
Yeah.
It's incredible, isn't it? These tiny, tiny, tiny things. Look at how tiny they are on the tray now. So that's it. That's how our carrots turn out after they're done. Because they curl up so much, a lot of them snag inside, so they got to be hand picked off here. Other than that, though, they're pretty decent. So what we're going to do, right now I'm putting them in a Ziploc bag for temporary storage. But for final preservation, we're going to lay these out in a gas oven. You can only do this with a propane oven where there's a pilot light. And then you put them in on a flat single layer on a tray in the oven overnight, and make sure they're extra dry. Because from the time you shut these off in October, as it is now, to the time you get them in the bag, they're already starting to absorb moisture from the air. And they can go stale in a hurry. And you don't want any moisture in them for long-term storage. And then we'll put them in vacuum seal bags, which we'll do at a later time off video. But I just wanted to share the final process of them.